Where Stars Land is an emotionally layered story blending romance, healing, workplace struggles, and a light touch of science fiction and fantasy. It revolves around the employees of Incheon International Airport as they navigate their daily duties, personal lives, and hidden scars. The show beautifully portrays how each character carries unseen burdens and silently yearns for connection like stars that seem distant yet shine for some. The entire drama is set against the fast paced, high pressure environment of Incheon Airport, one of the busiest and most advanced airports in Asia. Lee Soo Yeon, a mysterious quiet man who joins the airport's passenger services team. He is quite intelligent and graduated from KAIST, but he hides a physical disability in his right arm and leg caused by a tragic accident during the childhood. He uses a robotic assistive device to appear physically normal. His deep desire is to live a normal life without being treated as disabled. His secret makes him reserved and he avoids close relationships, fearing rejection or pity. Han Yu Ryong, a passionate, clumsy, and talkative rookie in passenger services, she often causes trouble due to her emotional nature, but has a warm heart and never gives up on people. She paired with Soo Yeon and finds him both frustrating and intriguing. As she begins to understand Soo Yeon's pain, she becomes determined to break through his walls. Sue In-woo is the cold, calculating security chief who shares a painful past with Soo Yeon. Yang Soo-kun is the operations team leader and a motherly figure, strict yet supportive. Both add professional and personal tension to the story. Han Yu numerous mistakes, losing luggage, missing passengers, accidentally injuring herself, initially cause workplace chaos. She slowly grows into her role with Soo Yeon's guidance and begins seeing his quiet care behind the scenes. One of the most gripping arcs is Soo Yeon's robotic prosthetic gives him enhanced strength and, and it malfunctions when he is stressed or emotionally overwhelmed. Several action scenes show how saving passengers in dangerous situations, a runaway luggage cart, child trapped, a conveyor belt, using his Superman or superhuman strength, drawing suspicion from the colleagues. The tension rises as his arm begins to damage his body and his health starts deteriorating. The romance between the Yurion and Suyon develops slowly and tenderly. She discovers his disability and accepts him without pity, helping him come out of his emotional shell. The romantic scenes are soft, slow burn, and emotionally loaded. Soo In-woo, once Soo Yeon's friend, abandoned him after the accident in childhood. Soo Yeon resentment simmers, creating emotional tension. Eventually, they confront their shared trauma and attempt to reconcile. Soo Yeon saves a toddler on the tarmac using inhuman strength. The surveillance footage goes viral, threatening to reveal his secret. A quite emotionally raw moment where he tries to hide his arm, but she gently reaches for it. Soo-yeon collapses after saving Yuryong, his arm twitching violently, heartbreaking moment. Intense scene revealing years of guilt, betrayal, and pain between the former friends. After choosing to live without the device, Soo-yeon returns as himself and his real self. Yuryong sees him and they walk together each other towards each other, hopeful, healed, and ready for the future. The series delicately handles the subject of disability not as something to overcome but as something to embrace with dignity. Both leads have scars, emotional and physical. Their romance is healing, never dramatic. Airports are full of people, yet the characters feel isolated, mirroring the modern life. The artificial arm represents the modern solutions, but the drama questions the cost of such enhancements. Lee Ji-hoon gives a deeply nuanced performance and Soo-yeon expressing more with his eyes than words. Chae Soo-bin is the emotional heart of the show, bringing life and vulnerability to Yoo-ryong. The supporting cast adds realism and warmth, especially in showing teamwork and friendship under the pressure. With Stars Land is a quietly powerful drama. It is not fleshy or melodramatic. Instead, it whispers deep truth about vulnerability, kindness, and the courage it takes to live as your true self. If you love gentle romance, subtle science fiction, and heartfelt character growth, this one is a gem.